the jingle bell.
It's a cute one.
Unity Fashion. Bye.
Happy music.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Shakay and I do lifestyle vlogs. If you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. So guys, it is Saturday, December 20, and today we set up the tree. I didn't vlog that. I don't know why. I was doing short form vlog instead. But I know, I'm just not in the mood to vlog. Today I was just not in the mood. So this is the tree. I'm showing the tree. So yeah, this is the tree. The tree's up. All the other decor are also up. Oh well, Daddy's putting the lights on the outside, but the other decor, I think I showed you guys that in another vlog. But the ones on the outside are up and all of that. So yeah, put up the tree today, and then today we also want to run down to Linstead to get a few things, to get some groceries and other stuff. So I wanted to take you guys along with me. Hopefully I remember for vlog, because your girl ain't doing well with vlogging. So hopefully I remember to vlog. Let me show you guys my fit for today. Alright, so I have on this t-shirt. It's one of my Christmas t-shirts that says hot cocoa and Christmas movies. I have on my bucket hat. I got boyfriend jeans. Yeah, boyfriend jeans. And of course my Crocs. Oh, and I have on one of my Christmas socks. Yeah, so that's the fit. That is the fit for today. Yeah, so that's the fit for today. So we are getting ready to leave out. So I'll catch you guys again when it's time for me to leave. Don't mind the noise when I hear them cut the grass, so that's that. But yeah, my hair my hair gonna do Monday. Hopefully I'm trying to do my hair on Monday. I will not be doing my nails. If I'm gonna put on any nails, I'm gonna be putting on like person, but I don't think so. I'm just not in that mood. So I might just paint my toes if I feel like it. If not, then it's just gonna stay, and then the nails will just be like this. And then Monday, as I said, I'm gonna be doing my hair. So today I need to buy a braid as well as some curly hair, because I think I'm gonna do one of the, what do I call it, boho? No, I don't remember what name. But yeah, I'm gonna do that style there. So we need to buy the hair for that today.
Well, pull up an ice block and lend an ear.
Me if you take you up, why me? I don't know, better one them neither. I don't know.
Scoring product.
Pot and pan. Parents stage.
The mingle and the jingle and feet. That's the jingle bell.
Alright guys, I am back home. We're back home. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna pack out. Alright guys, so we got some little things. We got some snacks. I'm Shani by tricks. Shani took that off people. What you call it? Scotch. Sponge wash plates. We got burger. Hi to the vlog. Hi. That's something for dinner tomorrow. What do you call this? Slide. Skin. Baking stuff. Cheese. Blammy to the world. Shakay cabbage back to him. Them look big, Shani. Them look big. You're gonna need something to do that. The one of them now go in the fridge. You can't afford so much space. Not going to work. Got some snacks. Got some popping corn. Got some stacks. Shani took out these things before. Some more snacks. Some brandy. More things for baking.
A lot sicker.
More things for baking. Baking stuff. Because we need to bake on Monday. Milk to drink our trips. More stuff for baking. So the sugar.
This is good.
Coca Welch. What's in my fridge? Fridge, please. And then gets this steel scrubbing fridge. Something then there was to come scrubbing something. Some toothpaste, some Scotch Brite, some heavy duty scrubbing packaging, and then mouthwash. So yeah, that's about it we got in the supermarket. So we're going to do the haul for the, what you call it? This girl and her food for the haberdashery that we went to. When we're done. So come. Yeah, so should I sit or should I stand? I don't even know. For the haul for the Unity Fashion, everything in here, so I never me buy. Some of the things are from like mommy buy or Shani buy, but we're gonna just do one general haul. Alright, so first of all, my sister and I were gonna be doing her hair on Monday, so I'm gonna do my hair, she's gonna get her hair done. So I needed 1 pack of braid because I'm gonna clean out the front and then the rest I'm gonna go crush this one so nice. So we bought, between us we bought 4 packs of braids. and it's the Ghana Expression Realistic 3 times 1B, and it is, I think it's 40 inch. So yeah, that's what it looks like, and I'm gonna be using 1 pack. And then somebody gave me the idea to do the, what you call them, focus on something, boho braids or something like so. Think of that them name. So anyways, I bought a pack of this, some curling something, I don't even know how it works, but yeah, buy a pack of that for crochet in the little curly parts in my hair. I got my dandruff ease, so I do struggle with dandruff, so this is like the one that works for me. So the other day I got the shampoo and conditioner, and I couldn't find this because normally buy this alone. I couldn't find it, so I got it. So I now have the cream, the dandruff ease dry scalp treatment, and I have the shampoo and conditioner as well. And then I picked up some lashes. This is for $900. This is what it looks like. I already have a pack ready that I started to use, so I just bought an extra pack to go with it. So this is what it looks like. I think this one looks more realistic, and not realistic, it looks more human hairish. I kind of want to see, so I'm gonna pull it out and look what it looks like. Let's see. I don't know where the 80+ on this from, but yeah. So I kind of just want to see what it look like, what it feel, and stuff like that. So I feel that basically feel the same. Yeah, but it kind of look broader to me. But yeah, this was $900. That is that. And I got a glue for it, so falls eyelash glue. I'm hoping I took up the right thing. I don't know, I just saw the glue and I'm like, let me get one of these, because the one I have, I think it's probably dried up, because the last time I bought 1 pack and take long to use the glue, when we did ready for use it, it kind of dry up. So I'm gonna buy 1 glue in case. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. Okay, the fact say down at the bottom is actually the glue and the top part is nothing. All right, we picked up a Fashion Plus. This is the one we use right now. I wonder if I should make sure to take up this for the hair itself. We have to do like edges, just realize. Yeah, so I bought a pack of wipes because wipes can't ever too much. Got that. And we got some underwear. We pretty much, between the 3 of us, we got quite a few, so we need to figure out who bought which one. All of that. So that's that. And then I think there's 3 more stuff. My sister got herself a lotion, so it's a Jergens lotion, Jergens or something like that. I don't know what the fuck it is. And then I got a mousse, because I know for the curly hair I might have to mousse it, so I just get my mousse. And I got some eyebrow razors, because this is the one I saw. I never see the one I'm used to, so I'm gonna buy, because we're gonna shave eyebrow. So yeah, I think that's the haul. I think that's all I got. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.